Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the ATI GSG 22 long rifle AK-47. This gun is called the Kalashnikov. It's the 90th birthday commemorative edition. I have number 873 out of 1919. ATI stands for American Tactical Import and GSG stands for German Sport Guns. This gun, ATI American Tactical Imports, this gun was endorsed by the general himself for them to be able to produce this. There's two models of this gun available, synthetic or wood, with either a 10 round or 24 round magazine. They have an overall dimension of 34.5 inches long, almost 35, so exactly 1 inch longer than the original wood, the wood-stocked Russian AK-47. Barrel length is 16.5. It was rumored a while ago that the wood stock on here would be like a wood plastic, but it's not. It's actually real American walnut. It's absolutely beautiful. Obviously, the gas system on here is fake, but looks real. It's a blowback operated rifle that requires high velocity 22 LR ammo in order for it to cycle. I have used the original 22 long rifle on here once it was broken in. I bought this rifle 5 years ago for $75 for my son, not realizing what I actually had until I looked into it further a little while back. I never realized what this gun actually was. I thought it was just a regular old 22. And I was teaching my little boy gun safety, and this is the gun we are using. And I recently found out that it was a commemorative edition, and I didn't even know it until recently. Guys, it's absolutely beautiful. It came here with a side rail on here, so it's compatible with the AK slide mount for optics on this one. Like I said, there's two options available. The MSRP for synthetic is about $549, and for the wood it's like $569. But I've seen these selling for over $1,000 recently on some gun stores. I couldn't believe it. This one comes with a 24 mag. It's a semi-automatic. Like I said, it's recoil operated and 22 caliber high velocity rounds. But it's a beautiful, beautiful gun, guys. This is an exact copy of the original Kalashnikov in appearance and weight and everything. I mean, it's identical to some of the AK-47s that I have. I just couldn't believe it that, like I said, for years I didn't know what I had. Each gun is proof tested and stamped with the German proof house seal on it. And here's big lettering here, the Kalashnikov on there, with all the markings that says Mikhail Kalashnikov, 90th birthday commemorative edition, 873 of 1919. Like, I couldn't believe it, guys. The trigger on this one here breaks at almost 8 pounds. It has the original sling on it. The safety and the mag release operate just like a regular AK-47 does. The sights are adjustable, just like a regular AK. Everything on here is identical to a regular AK-47. The cleaner rod comes out, and the dust cover comes off. Very simple. You just push the button like a regular AK comes out. But obviously all the internal parts are a little bit different on there. But again, guys, it's an absolutely beautiful, beautiful gun. It has a mag safety on here. So if the mag is released, the gun won't fire. But everything else on here is just like a regular AK-47. Like, I was shocked. I could not believe it that I paid $75 for this beautiful gun. I was actually thinking about taking the walnut off of here and putting it on that AK there that I bought with all that Magpul on there. I mean, I do love Magpul, but I love this. This is beautiful American walnut. I did a review on my Henry 4570 that's made out of American walnut and brass, and it's absolutely beautiful. Like I said, everything works just like a normal AK-47 does. The safety, everything. The engraving on here, made in Germany. It's very, very beautiful. Very, very well made gun. And it feels just like the original AK-47. You know what I mean? It's crazy how realistic it is for being a 22. That ATI company, they're the only licensee worldwide that were able to produce this firearm here. That's the only company that was able to make these, and they came with a proof of authenticity and an autographed picture of the general himself when he bought this gun, along with a baseball cap and a keychain. I don't have those, but I have this beautiful gun here, and like I said, I was shocked that I even had a rail here for an optic mount on there, and how very much it looks just like a regular AK-47. Like I said, I had no idea what I had until recently. I got it out to clean it. It was been sitting in the safe, and I looked at it, and I saw with all the numbers matching and everything that this was the real deal. Again, guys, this is just a gorgeous, gorgeous gun. Let me know what you guys think. I would love to know who's got other numbers. Like I said, I have 873 out of 1919. And like I said, I was thinking about taking this walnut furniture off of here and putting it on my AK, but I'm not sure. What do you guys think? Should I change the furniture on and put some Magpul on this one? Or should I just leave it the way that it is? Drop me a comment, guys. Let me know what you think. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day, everybody.